Hello guys, this is our finished product of our spicy buffalo wings. Ayan no. So nilagyan natin siya ng dressing na ranch at saka butter. Ayan. Para manuot yung lasa. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng amoy. So this is our buffalo wings. Very spicy with ranch dressing. All right. Sarap. So yan po ang ating ranch. Okay, thank you for watching once again. So this is our dinner for tonight and happy Valentine's. And we have clam chowder. No, it's a prawns chowder soup and that's our chop suey. All right. Thank you and have a nice day.